Alright, elimination. Solve real-world problems using elimination. Sometimes it is necessary to use multiplication before elimination in real-world problems. Alright, this type of problem is a little bit tricksome, so let's be careful, read it carefully, and understand what's going on. Canoeing. During a canoeing trip, it takes Raymond 4 hours to paddle 12 miles upstream. It takes him 3 hours to make the return trip paddling downstream. Okay, so it takes 4 hours to go paddle 12 miles upstream. So upstream, it takes 3 hours to downstream. So it takes less time when you're going with the current than against it. Okay, so we're traveling 12 miles. We know that its distance is 12 miles. And we know the time it took to go up and down. Alright, so let C be the rate of the canoe in still water. W be the rate of water of the current. Okay, the current of the water, the speed of the water. Okay, so this is the speed of the canoe, and this is the speed of the water. So against the current, the water is fighting us. With the current, the water is helping us. Okay, so distance equals rate times time. Okay, so that's what they're talking about here. Distance equals rate times time. So our rate, our speed, is our canoe speed minus the water speed, right? Because that's going to slow us down. With the current, our canoe plus the water, because that's going to help us out. Right, so that's how they get these values. All right, so if we distribute, we're going to distribute here to get this. So if we distribute, we get this 4c minus 4w equals 7, and 3c plus 3w equals 12. All right. All right, so if we want to eliminate the c or the w, what do we need to do? All right, so let's look at this. I look at w, and I notice they're already opposite signs. So let's make this easier. And so they multiply the top by 3. So 3 times 4 is 12. So 12c minus still 12w this time equals 336. Alright. So if we do the bottom one by 4, so it's 3 times 4 is 12. C plus 4 through 12. W equals 48. Alright, so we do have opposite signs here, so the W's eliminate. So 12 is 24. C. And we got 6 plus 6 plus 8 is 14. Carry the 1 is 84. Okay. Maybe just double checking my math here. Okay, we're good. Now divide by 24. So the canoe, C, we want to know the rate of the canoe. And that is our C, so we don't have to plug it back in. So let's grab our calculators and do 84 divided by 24. And I know that doesn't go into it nicely, so, but 3.5. Now, what is our units here? What are we talking about? This was hours and this was miles, so miles per hour. Okay.